and welcome. Today I want to show you how to set up a simple HTTP server on a Mac with Python. All you have to do is to open a terminal window and change to the root directory you want to serve with HTTP. In this example I will simply use the public folder, but you can choose whatever you need. So let's change the directory to public. Next we start the web server module by typing python-m simple HTTP server. This will look up the module simple HTTP server and then run the corresponding py file as a script. You have to make sure that you write the module name just like I did and don't change the uppercase and lowercase letters. It takes a moment to start, and as soon as it's finished it will prompt you with this short message. The web server is started on port 8000 and binds not only to localhost, but the placeholder IP address with 4 zeros, which you can see here, which simply means that any host in the network can reach the web server as long as there's no firewall rule preventing this. Let's open a web browser and check out what this looks like. So we can see all files, even the normally hidden .dot files. And we can browse the directories, and of course we can download files. You can stop the web server by simply hitting Ctrl+C in the terminal window. Thank you for watching this video. In case you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and if you did not like it, a thumbs down. Either way, please let me know in the comments what you think. If you do not want to miss any future videos, simply subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to get notifications when a new video is published.